To use a photo as a watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is fairly simple. Now, you're going to begin by ensuring that you've opened up the Galaxy Wearable app on your watch and then on your phone, and then you're going to navigate to watch faces. From here, go to the section labeled photos and then go ahead and just choose one and start selecting which style you may want to use. Now, you do have different styles available, so you can go ahead and choose one that suits your preferences. You can tap on the edit button just so you can go ahead and customize even further. Now, when you go ahead and customize even further, it allows you to change the layout of how it looks like. It allows you to choose your image, change your composition colors, and even add emojis. Now, so it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer when you go through all of that. And then go ahead and select the plus option under photo. From here, choose where you're going to add your picture from, whether it's from the gallery app or from the camera app. And once you do that, go ahead and select the image you wish to use. When you've selected the image you wish to use, you can now go ahead and adjust it to your liking. Whether you're zooming in or out, it's completely up to you. And then once you're happy, you can also customize the contrast, the highlights, all sorts of things. When you're ready, just go ahead and select save. And then you should be able to see how the image looks like. If you don't like how it looks like, you can remove it and replace it with something else. You can also go through the process of just customizing with different formats just to see which one you'd prefer. If you want to edit even further, you can tap on the option complications and choose what items you want to show on the watch face. You can have battery, all sorts of things. You can select another item, choose what you want to replace it with. So you can go through each complication and replace it with something completely different. When you're happy with how it looks like, remember to tap on apply and then wait for the watch face to be applied onto your watch. From here, you can now see how it looks like on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.